Lwahle Mseleku has a second girlfriend. I'm very disappointed. I didn't expect those things came from Lwahle. We know to have Istanbul polygamy is Mpumelelo's thing, not Lwahle. Maybe Msamseleku is the one who giving that boy pressure because Lwahle doesn't have a business. And now he have got the first girlfriend he pregnated. He is staying with that girl. That girl didn't enjoy to stay with her boyfriend or for 2 years or 3 years. And Lwahle, you've got a video with another girlfriend in the car. I'm very disappointed because people we know Lwahle doesn't want to have more dramas, to have Istanbul, what. But now, guys, you know that Lwahle and that girl, they don't get married. That girl was pregnant with Lwahle's child. Maybe Lwahle and Musamseleku, they go to pay lobolo or what, I don't understand. But now he is in rush to take another girlfriend. Yes, he have got Istanbul, but maybe after 4 years or 5 years, that girl to enjoy her marriage with her husband. It's like Vuyokazi and Mpumelelo. Vuyokazi didn't enjoy to stay with Mpumelelo for a long time, the two of them, because women sometimes we want to enjoy. So Lwahle, he was in rush to have Istanbul. I don't understand. They want to do like their father Musamseleku, because Musamseleku, when he married to Macele, Mayeni was still in Musamseleku's life. There is a lot of things. Musamseleku pregnanted Mpilo's mother, what. And now those things are happening to Lwahle and Mpumelelo. But I'm very disappointed with Lwahle because most of people, we didn't expect those things. It came to Lwahle. You know, guys, the Istanbul, especially to a person who doesn't have a lot of income. Lwahle, we didn't see his business, what he is doing, or to go to work. Like Mpumelelo, he is doing, he have got security company, some of the businesses, but Lwahle doesn't have a good income. And Musamseleku is influence kids bad things, because what I saw, guys, you know that Musamseleku can say Lwahle have to take another woman or to impregnate, to get pregnant to that another second girl, but they don't pay full bride price to the first girlfriend. I don't understand what's going on. So people, we are very disappointed to saw Lwahle because it's not his things. We know Lwahle have got order in his life. We know him, because that girl, she is going to be disappointed. You know, they don't have 2 years or 3 years that they start staying together, and he is bringing another girlfriend again. So I think it's not the right thing. Lwahle doesn't have a stable income, a place to stay, because they are staying at Macele's house in Muzumba. I don't think Macele want maybe to stay with Lwahle's girlfriends, because it is going, guys, to be a trouble. Mpumelelo, you've got two or three wives. Lwahle, 2 or 3 wives. And what about Muzumbe now? They are going to fight for Muzumbe now, because the Musamseleku says Lwahle have to stay with his girlfriend. Mpumelelo, he wants to bring his wives again. So it is going to be scattered. And Macele, I don't think can stay with the Lwahle's girlfriend, because, guys, you can't be comfortable as a mother-in-law. You are being introduced different girls in your house. You bring different girls in your house. Macele supporting Musamseleko about Istanbul. Guys, the people were judging Mayeni. We want to see what's happening to Macele now, that Macele is going to accept those things now, to accept different girls to come to her house. So, guys, we are blaming Mayeni. Why Mayeni doesn't want to accept Amahle? Mayeni accept Vuyokazi. Vuyokazi was staying with Mayeni and Tirelo. Now Amahle. So you don't trust those girls that they love you or what. You can get poisoned with those girls. You understand it? So that's why Mayeni didn't trust even Vuyokazi at the first time. And you want to see, because that girl, Lwandle's girlfriend, didn't stay with Macele. We didn't see them together at Macele's house. They meet at restaurant. And Lwandle took his girlfriend and stay in Muzumbe.